Emma behind her mother, starting to master foraging for seeds. Because I think they're trying to tell her that she's way too old to be being fed all the time. She's going to be moving into a new cage probably tomorrow during the day. I've set it up, well, the inside of it. So it's got like a rope perch that goes around, and like that. Perch down there, a little bed, and a little wooden perch down there, and I'll fill it out with food bowls and foraging mats and stuff for her, and a few small toys. It's a 32-inch one, so it's big enough because it's the same one that one of her parents had. So yeah, so I'd show people that she's actually been learning how to forage properly, and that she's doing a really good job of it. I was a little worried because I didn't want to separate her if she wasn't able to sort herself out food and eat food normally. But she seems to have picked it up quite well. Other than occasionally she gets confused by like letters and stuff on DVD cases, or a design in something. But that's part of the fun for them, I think. We hope you're having a lovely day. Take care.